Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing video / review of the Chanel Boy wallet and chain in black caviar leather and ruthenium metal finish. I hope that this video will help you decide whether or not you want to include it in your collection. So inside this black paper bag is a beautifully packaged Chanel black box, neatly tied with ribbon and the camellia flower. I had to open to check that I got the correct item before we left the hotel. So I purchased it on January 2020 and the retail price was $2,700 USD plus tax. I'm just not sure if the price for this particular item has gone up already. But what I like about Chanel is that it holds up to its value. It also came with care cards. So the dust bag is made with soft microfiber material. It has a magnetic snap closure. So when you open it, there's a zipper on the flap that opens all the way down to the bottom of the purse. It's like a secret pocket for important papers or cash. The only thing that bothers me with the zipper pull is that it digs into the leather when you close it and it leaves a mark on the wallet. There's a piece of leather that covers the chain of the wallet. Unlike other brands, the chain is not detachable. So it has a main compartment that has 6 card slots. I like that it can fit bigger phones, and later I'll show you what fits in this bag. There's a zipper pull pocket, or there's the authenticity card. You can store your coins or your cash or your earphones just so they don't fall off your bag. Oh, here's another pocket. What I really like about this purse is that it's small, but it has a lot of compartments and it helps me organize my stuff. Okay, so the strap is made of ruthenium metal and leather strap, which makes it comfortable to wear. The only downside is that the strap moves around, so the leather strap sometimes won't stay put on your shoulder. The strap drops 23.5 inches, so it's pretty long for a petite girl like me. So the width is 4.8 inches, length is 7.5 inches, and the depth is 1.4 inches.